how long does it take to do the roof once we show up at the project? And a lot of roofing for, again, standard roofing products should take a day or two at the most to complete. We cater the crew that we put on a job by the scope or the complexity and how much work needs to be done, because it makes a lot more sense to us to put the number of personnel and the amount of effort, energy, and the equipment that we need to get a job effectively completed within 1 or 2 days, so that that is just seems to us to be optimal efficiency. For having jobs that would spread out over more than that period of time gets to be inefficient. It becomes a huge inconvenience for the homeowner or the business owner. Now, again, sometimes we're replacing, roofs on big warehouses and that sort of thing. And of course, those have to be done in phase work. But for an average home in the Omaha market, there's no reason why it can't be done completely from the time that we roll into the driveway and set up all of the safety and property protection elements of there's a lot more that goes into a roof than just taking the roof off and putting one back on. By the time we start setup and site safety and all of our equipment, to the time that we're actually uninstalling all of that and picking up and rolling out, could be done in a day for most projects that we tackle.